Hi guys, I welcome you all to our new video in the series Explained in Short. In this video, we will discuss about maintenance as given under CrPC. Maintenance has been provided in various personal laws like Hindu personal law, Muslim personal law, Parsi personal law. But in this video, we will specifically deal with the maintenance as provided under the CrPC. Now, let's start this. The word maintenance has not been defined in the CrPC, but Chapter 9 of the CrPC deals with provisions for the maintenance of wife, children, and parents, and it is provided under Section 125 of CrPC. It provides for the parties who are entitled to get maintenance the essential ingredients to claim and get maintenance and order from the first class magistrate. Now, who can claim maintenance? According to Section 125, four categories of people can claim maintenance. First is wife from his husband. Second is legitimate or illegitimate minor child from his father. Third is legitimate or illegitimate minor child who is suffering from physical or mental abnormality from his father. And the fourth category is father or mother from his son or daughter. चार कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है। चार कैटेगरी के लोग हैं जो क्लेम कर सकते हैं मेंटेनेंस। वाइफ, माइनर चाइल्ड, लेजिटिमेट हो इलेजिटिमेट हो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। थर्ड इज भले वो मेजर हो, legitimate या illegitimate minor child, but he or she should be suffering from physical or mental abnormality. And the fourth category is mata ya pita, father or mother from his son or daughter. Now let us look into details of the each person who can claim maintenance. In the case of Chanmunia versus Virendra Singh, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने वाइफ का टर्म डिफाइन किया कि वाइफ होती क्या है, और उसने बोला, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला कि इट इंक्लूड्स दोज केसेस एज वेल वेयर अ मैन एंड वुमन have been living together as husband and wife for a long period of time, and strict proof of marriage is not required under section 125 of CrPC. Now, wife can claim and get maintenance from a husband in following conditions. There are few conditions under which the wife can claim and as well as get the maintenance from a husband. First is if she is divorced by her husband. Second is if she has obtained divorce from her husband. Third is if she has not remarried. And the fourth is if she is not able to maintain herself. अगर ये चार conditions हैं, then she can claim maintenance as from her husband. Now, the wife cannot claim and get maintenance from a husband in these kind of situations. The first is if the wife is living in adultery. Second is if she refuses to live with husband without any valid reason. अगर वो husband के साथ रहने से मना कर देती है without giving any valid reasons, तो उस केस में उसको मेंटेनेंस नहीं मिलेगा. And the third case is if they live separately by mutual consent. अगर वो mutual consent से अलग रह रहे, then also the wife cannot claim maintenance. Now let us look into the case of legitimate or illegitimate minor child. Minor means a person who under the provisions of section 3 of the Indian Majority Act is not deemed to have attained his majority or the age of 18 years. ऐसा माना जाता है कि अगर आप 18 years के से ज्यादा हो तो आप मेजर हो, और अगर आप 18 years के नहीं हो तो आप माइनर हो. It has been given under section 3 of Indian Majority Act. CrPC में minor son can get maintenance under section 125. Also, if any major child who is abnormal, then the father of that child has to maintain him and he has to claim it, and the person or the child can claim maintenance on this ground of abnormality. अगर वो abnormal है तो वो अपने father से claim कर सकता है maintenance, and the father has to maintain him. The condition being कि वो abnormal हो, भले वो major हो या minor हो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर वो major है तो भी वो claim कर सकता है maintenance. The condition being कि वो abnormal हो. Now, if the minor daughter भले वो legitimate हो या illegitimate हो, अगर unmarried है, then she is entitled to get maintenance from a father. But even if she is married, and then also she can get maintenance from a father, but the magistrate has to be satisfied that his husband has not essential and sufficient means for the maintenance of his minor wife. ठीक है, इसमें कंडीशन यही है कि पहले तो माइनर डॉटर होना चाहिए, इलेजिटिमेट हो या लेजिटिमेट हो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर वो अनमैरिड है तो वो मेंटेनेंस क्लेम कर ही सकती है. बट इवन इफ शी इज मैरिड, याद रखिएगा यहाँ पर कि वो माइनर होनी चाहिए. अगर वो मैरिड है तो भी शी कैन क्लेम मेंटेनेंस फ्रॉम हिज फादर. बट कंडीशन क्या है कि जो उसका हस्बैंड है, ही इज नॉट एबल और ही इज नॉट एबल टू सफिशिएंटली मेंटेन हर फॉर if he is not able to sufficiently maintain his wife. And in the case of Shahabuddin versus state of UP, it was held that a minor daughter attaining majority during the pendency of the application for maintenance was held entitled to maintenance up to the date of majority. Now let us look into the cases of father or mother as to who can claim maintenance. Natural father and mother can claim maintenance. जो natural father mother होते हैं वो तो claim कर ही सकते हैं. उनके साथ मदर का टर्म क्या होता है, मतलब किनको मदर मान सकते हैं, ये भी डिफाइन किया गया है. मदर इंक्लूड्स अडॉप्टिव मदर. शी कैन ऑल्सो क्लेम मेंटेनेंस फ्रॉम अडॉप्टिव सन. फादर कैन क्लेम मेंटेनेंस एंड इट इज अ स्टैट्यूटरी ऑब्लिगेशन. यहाँ पे आप ये प्लीड नहीं कर सकते कि फादर हैज फेल्ड टू फुलफिल हिज पेरेंटल ऑब्लिगेशन. ये आप डिफेंस नहीं ले सकते. फादर इज एंटाइटल्ड टू क्लेम एंड गेट मेंटेनेंस. एंड द फोर्थ कैटेगरी इज and the fourth criteria is a childless stepmother can also claim the maintenance. Now, in the case of Pandurang Dabate versus Baburao Dabate, Bombay High Court held that father or mother can claim maintenance under Section 125 if he or she is unable to maintain himself or herself. Agar parents, if they are unable to maintain themselves, then the son or the daughter is liable या वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है अपने फादर और मदर को मेंटेन करने के लिए. बट इट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट दैट इफ पेरेंट्स क्लेम मेंटेनेंस टू देयर चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रन मस्ट हैव सफिशिएंट मींस टू मेंटेन देयर पेरेंट्स. ठीक है, कंडीशन ये भी है कि चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो मस्ट हैव सफिशिएंट मींस. उनके जो बच्चे हैं वो भी सफिशिएंट उनके पास होना चाहिए, इतना पैसा होना चाहिए, इतने मीन्स होने चाहिए कि दे आर एबल टू मेंटेन देयर पेरेंट्स. और फिर वो नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो या रिफ्यूज कर रहे हो अपने फादर या मदर को मेंटेन करने के लिए. In that case, the father or mother can claim maintenance. Now, what are the essential conditions for granting maintenance? The first is there should be sufficient means for maintenance. जो इंसान मेंटेनेंस देगा, he should have sufficient means. अगर उसके पास ही sufficient means नहीं है, तो आप उससे मेंटेनेंस नहीं मांग सकते. Second is there should be neglect or refusal. कि वो इंसान मना करे कि मैं अपनी वाइफ को या अपने पेरेंट्स को मेंटेन नहीं करूंगा, मैं उनको नहीं रखूंगा अपने साथ, या नेग्लेक्ट करे. The third is the person claiming maintenance must be unable to maintain himself or herself. यहाँ पे अगर parents या wife, if she is able to maintain herself, then she cannot claim maintenance. But अगर वो खुद को maintain नहीं कर पा रही है, then she is liable and she is capable of getting the maintenance. The fourth is quantum of maintenance depends upon the standard of living. क्वांटम ऑफ मेंटेनेंस डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम केस टू केस. ये कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा कि उनका स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग क्या है और कितना क्वांटम होना चाहिए, या कितना पैसा या कितना उनको मेंटेनेंस देना चाहिए, ये कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वांटम ऑफ मेंटेनेंस? प्रायर टू 2001 the quantum was limited, yeah, maintenance was limited to rupees 500 per month. But after the amendment of 2001, it has enabled the magistrate to award a reasonable amount of maintenance as they deem fit. कि उनको जितना अमाउंट रीजनेबल लगता है उतना अमाउंट वो अवॉर्ड कर सकते हैं जो भी क्लेम करना चाहता है उसमें. ये कब आया? ये आया आफ्टर द अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 2001. Now that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like this video. Also, subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Telegram as well as Instagram.